Okay, we are from Mrs. Stafford's 11 a.m. class, and we will be telling you about freshman seminar. So first off is the binder. You will need your binder if you want an A in this class. You'll need your binder, and within your binder you'll need paper,
And all the notes.
and all the notes we're gonna take in the class.
You're gonna need a name tag too.
Yeah, and a name tag. Of course.
Alright, so the main things that you're gonna learn in freshman seminar is like how to write professional email, and yeah, like we're all gonna do like this presentation later, so you're gonna learn how to study, how to like not procrastinate and whatnot. And yeah.
Next up we have is attendance policy. Mr. Stafford is real hard about being in class and being on time in class. He says if you're absent more than 2 times, don't expect to A in the class. If you're absent more than 3-4 times, don't expect to be in the class. If you're absent more than 4 times, 5 times, don't expect a good grade in this class, a grade that you would want.
Alright, so the dress code. So in his class, you can't wear any caps, do-rags, make sure your pants are actually up above your butt, and yeah,
And for the girls, they gotta have on.
actual clothes.
Yeah. And next is the phone policy. He don't want you to be on your phone at all. So like he really wants you to put it up so you can really listen to what he's gonna be having to take notes on that day.
And this part is a little bit away from the class, but getting to know your college instructors. Getting to know your college instructors will probably be more on your part. Like you'll probably be like having to initiate, like knowing them and all that. What you could do is like introduce yourself to your instructor. You can do more. Like say if the instructor has y'all do like a certain amount of work on Blackboard, you can do more. You know what I mean? Ask questions, you know, open up a little bit, I guess. And if you would like to know, maybe like setting a tutoring appointment would help. Maybe, I don't know.
A general overview of what this class is it's basically teaching you how to be a successful student at TSU and how to carry yourself about doing well in class, getting active in the school, and basically getting on your way to graduating. So, yeah, I suggest y'all take this class.
Technology service, Blackboard. Blackboard is used by each and every professor at TSU. Blackboard, you can check your grades, you can do your that's the site where your professors put your assignments on, where your notes are at, where all the presentations are at, all the lectures are at, and everything.
And your testing quizzes.
And your testing questions, yeah. And if you have problems with your Blackboard, you could call the IT tech people to help you, you know, solve that problem. Yeah.
And then your TSU email, make sure you regularly check that because they send out announcements. Teachers might send out they're going to cancel class or not.
That's where you get your refund in.
Yes. Being successful at TSU is, it's not no different from any other college. Just be on top of your assignments, focus, have good time management. Understand that every weekend is going to be a party, It's not bad if you miss one. Get to know your professors, get to know your instructors, study, same old, same stuff you hear from everybody here.
Definitely being successful in freshman seminar. You should always come to class. You should always listen because the professor is gonna have some type of opportunity somewhere in the class to where you can take notes or do something else. You should always have pen and paper because you're gonna take notes somewhere in the class. And yeah.
And side note for freshman seminar, if one person fails, all y'all failing because it's a family affair.
Your family affair.
And then being successful in general, just make sure that you're organized and like have all your stuff in line, and like make sure you set like short-term goals. That way you can reach your long-term goal with it.